Welcome to Accounts Tutor YouTube channel. So today I'm going to explain you how to deal with inventories in QuickBooks. So I will simply explain you how to manage inventory using QuickBooks. So I will step by step guide you and explain you so you can easily understand the process of managing stocks, items, inventories using QuickBooks. So before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe Accounts Tutor YouTube channel for more videos like this. So here, this is my sample company. Here I have not add inventory part at the beginning or startup process. So therefore you cannot see inventory items in this window. So here I'll show you how to add inventory option later on. Actually, adding inventory management to this window or your company setup is very easy. In such a case, how do you add inventory option to your company setup or company file? So what you should do is, you just go to this bar and click on the edit. Then you can see a drop down menu like this. There you can see an option called preferences at the end of this drop down list. Then click on it. Once you click on the preferences, then you can see this kind of window. So there are various options. So you can see there's one option called items and inventory. Click on it. Once you select items and inventory, then go to company preferences tab. So once you go to company preferences tab, then you have a checkbox, purchase order and inventory. So you have to enable this checkbox. Click on it. So once it enables, you can see it activates several options. Inventory and purchase order are active now. So here there are several options you can select. Quantity reserved for pending bills or quantity on sales order, these are checked. So if you wish, you can disable or enable these options. If not enough inventory to sell, there you can see when the quantity I want to sell exceed quantity on hand, what to do, or when the quantity I want to sell exceed the quantity available, or don't allow negative quantity. So these kinds of options are there, so you can select whatever you need. So once you select the appropriate options for you, then click on the OK button. So once you click on the open button, all the open windows are closed like that. Then again go to Home tab. Once you click on the Home tab, what happens? Now you can see inventory activities are active now. So that is the procedure, that is the method of adding inventory items to your already set up company file. So if your inventory option is not enabled, you can easily enable that option by clicking edit and then go to preferences. Then you can enable the inventory management part to your company setup. So I think it is clear to you. So that is the procedure you have to follow to add inventory center. Okay, now let's see how to deal with inventories. So now we have inventory activities here. So just click on this drop down arrow. So here you can see option called inventory center. Click on the inventory center. Once you click on the inventory center, you can see a window like this. So here basically I want to add a new inventory item. To add a new inventory item, just click on this one, new inventory item. There is a drop down icon, arrow. Then you have two options, new inventory item or add or edit multiple items. So now I am going to select new inventory item. So once click on the new inventory item, you can see this kind of window. So here by default inventory part is selected, so I want to keep it type as inventory part. Then here to add a new inventory item, you have to give item name or a number. For example, just assume my company is selling ready-made garments. So here my item is, just say small. So my item is shirt and the size is small. Then the item number is 100. So that is my item code. This is my item code. I entered my item code. Then so if you like, you can give a manufacturer's part number if available, or you can add this as sub item. You can create a subcategory here if you wish. So there is another button called unit of measure. So click on it. There is a button called enable. So you can enable the unit of measure. So there are several measures. So if you from these options, now I am going to select single unit measure per item. Lets you assign a single unit of measure to each item or a multiple unit measure per item. Let's you define multiple units of measures, a base unit and any number of conversions. If you buy and sell an item in more than one unit of measure, you must select this option. Okay. Now it depends on the goods you sell or manage. So here, for explanation purpose, I select single. Then choose this option. Then press the next button. So here select a unit of measure type. So there are unit of measure types. There are several unit of measure type. So you have to select suitable one according to your business. So here I prefer count. Each box, case, dozens, like that. So I select count option, then press next. So if you select count option, then you have several other measurements. So from this, I'm going to select each. Then click on the finish button. So here you can enter purchase information. You can here enter purchase information. On the other side, you can enter sales description on sales transactions. Okay. So these options for the purchase information, these information for the sales information. What you can enter whatever you need according to your business nature. So this one is for the cost. So here you can enter unit cost of your item. So here my unit cost is 1,500, just so 1,000 for explanation purpose, and my selling price is just say 1,750. And I select cost of goods sold account from cost side, and from income account I'm going to select sales account. Just say merchandise sales. So here my selling price, just assume 1,500. Right. Now from the cost side, I can add a supplier or a vendor. So my vendor is here, just say Saman Pereira. Finally, you can add minimum order quantity for your stock management or inventory management process. So my minimum order level is 10% and the maximum order level is 15, and the stock on hand 100. Then the total value automatically calculated with the unit cost. Then you can change the what we call the date. So here I prefer to enter April 1st. Okay. Now this is the method you should follow to add inventory item to your QuickBooks. So once all these fields are okay, just click on the OK button. So once click on the OK button, you can see all your informations, updates like this. So here you can see option called print. So if you click on the print, you have this kind of menu. So there, if you click item list, you can see your inventory item. And if you click on the item information, then you can see your item information. So what happens if you select item transaction list, then it will show your item transaction list like this. On the other hand, there's another option called Excel. So from here you can export your item to Excel, you can export the transactions to Excel, you can import any transaction from Excel, or you can post from Excel. So these kind of export and import options are available under the Excel, under the inventory management part. So here if you click print, you can print item list, item information, or an item transaction list. So under the new transaction, you can create invoice, sales receipt, or you can create purchase order or create sales order. You can mark or update receive items, change item prices, adjust quantities, value on hand, build assembly. So these kind of things can be done or managed under the new transactions. So this is what basically you can do under the inventory management in QuickBooks. So this is a basic explanation. So by using this knowledge, you can easily manage your inventory items using QuickBooks. So now you know how to add inventory management to your QuickBooks. If it is not available, just go to edit and then select preferences. Then you can add inventory item to a QuickBook file by selecting this checkbox. And after that, what happens, you can see inventory option available here. So by clicking this drop down arrow, you can access inventory center. So via inventory center, by using these options, you can manage your company inventory very easily. So I think today that is what I am going to today that is what I wanted to explain you, the inventory management using QuickBooks. I think that is may very helpful to you for your day-to-day activities or business activities when you are using QuickBooks. So if you need any further clarification regarding this process, please put a comment under the video comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to Accounts Tutor YouTube channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you very much.